Hey, how's it going? Just, more household duties here, getting rid of this trash. While I have you here, let's take a look at this brand new, just rolled this in last night late, the KYMCO MXU 700i LE Euro. LE, lots of extras. Just kidding, that's luxury edition. It's a Euro model, so the biggest difference on the Euro model is that it does have functional turn signals. So you have amber markers, turn signals, and hazard lights. So that is different than what you've seen on a traditional ATV that we would have in the store. This machine is a 4-stroke, fuel-injected, single-cylinder, 695cc, liquid cooled, electric start, push button on demand, 2-wheel, 4-wheel with diff lock. It's your typical CVT automatic transmission. The front travel of the suspension, 6.9 inches, which is quite a bit. Rear travel, even more, 7.5 almost, 7.4. So that's gonna give you a lot of compression. Gonna be great for trail riding. It's an independent 4-wheel suspension, so there's no straight axle there. So you're gonna be able to grab a lot more surface area, which is gonna be just a better overall riding experience. The KYMCO machines, for the most part, shaft drive. This is also a shaft drive machine. So this is virtually maintenance-free on the drivetrain. No belt, no chain, shaft drive. So there's a little shaft oil there, keep it moving in the right direction. Dual disc in the front, shaft-mounted hydraulic rear. A very important question I get a lot. Hey Rushy, what's the ground clearance on machine A, machine B? The ground clearance on this guy is 10.7 inches. So over 10.5 inches of ground clearance, which is awesome. And then we also have real beefy underneath here for all the rocks, for all the trails, for all the mud, for all the water. The higher stance is gonna let you just cover more terrain, and it's a normal thing. People say, oh, the KYMCO, my buddy has a Can-Am, my buddy has a Polaris. This is beefy enough to keep up with those machines. So you can get in a real beefy machine at a good price point and still ride with those guys that are spending $10, $11, $12, $13, $15,000 on their ATVs. It also has mirrors, hand guards, brush protection, 2,500 pound winch on the front, nice branding, nice looking grille. It has dual halogen headlights with the LED markers that I previously mentioned. We got some built-in storage, which is neat. We got this lockable storage right here. It's lockable with the ignition key, so that's different. We don't really see that too much. And then the center console has a USB port in here, really deep. 2-inch receiver on the rear, and of course KYMCO's 1-year warranty is excellent. Throttle, front brakes, parking brake, this machine has it all. Again, the MXU 700i LE Luxury Edition Euro. Euro meaning when this machine goes to the beach, it doesn't wear a bathing suit, it wears a Speedo. When this machine leaves you in the dust, when this machine passes you on the trail, it doesn't say goodbye, it says Auf Wiedersehen. For any more information on the KYMCO MXU 700 or any of our other KYMCO products that we have, remember we talked about the Maxer, we got the Mongoose 70, the 90, MXU 270, blackmanscycle.com. For more information, #buy from the beard. It's gonna snow again. Whoop-de-doo.